Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So today we've got what looks to be a stainless steel front bumper for the Losi LMT. So as normal with these things, no instructions but a load of screws and a load of bits, and if we get this open there's loads of possible mount places, so we're going to get this out at packet and see where it lines up with that. Well, let's crack on. Right, so looking at these bits, we've got 3 spaces up the side of each one of them, and 3 of them and 6 of them. We've got 4 of the long ones, 2 of the short ones and 2 locking nuts. And just holding this up to the side of the LMT, it looks like if we line it up with them 2, the back one will, if I can position it right looking through camera, but it should line up with one of them at back. Yeah, that one. So I'm guessing the back one is the one where the locking nut is, and then these 2 front ones, we're going to be replacing these with the longer ones, and these are all going into metal. So other than these 2 that are going into these, which are lock nuts, we're going to want thread lock on all the rest of them. Certainly on these. Them 4 I believe will be going into this plastic brace, so they won't need thread lock on them. But certainly these, the 6 that go into these bars, they're going to need thread locking. So let's get this assembled first and see if the width and everything's right. See if it goes on the inside or the outside of the chassis. Right, so that's it assembled, thread locked on all them. That is probably one of the most overkill, absolutely solid bumpers I've ever seen for an RC car. So let's have a look from top, see if I can get a good shot. So it looks like it's going to fit on the outside. It's just wider than the actual chassis. So next thing we want to do is remove all 4 of these, so we get them took out. Right, so once we've got the black screws removed, I find it easier to poke these 2 through just to help locate it, and then just start threading these in by hand till you get them all in position. And that's basically where it's going to sit, and then you just need to tighten them all up and put the thread locking nuts on the back of these ones, and we should be good to go. So that's all the screws in. We've got the locking nuts on the back of them 2. Don't go crazy tight with these because you're only screwing them into plastic. But that's a pretty nice fit. Now, moment of truth. Let's see how accurate they got with the actual fit for the body. Well, that's pushed all the way down, and yeah, so that's a pretty accurate fit. So it's certainly a nice fit for the Son-uva digger chassis, and it should stop you knocking its teeth out, as it were, when you crash into things. But yeah, that's a pretty nice fit. As always, link will be in the description for this one, and it's a very easy quick mod to do for your LMT. Give the chassis a bit more structural support, but should definitely save the front of the body shell if you're flipping over forward or nose diving. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys again in the next one.